Hello everyone. Let's get started by going to canva.com. That is canva.com. Once there, you want to click sign up. And then from clicking sign up, you want to click sign up with Google. Once that loads, you want to go ahead and enter your APS credentials. If you are already signed in through My Backpack, you may not be required to enter them. You may just simply need to click on it. But make sure you have apsk12.org as the ending handle. Next, you want to enter your password. And from there, you'll click next. Once you reach the Canva site, you may see a box that requires you to choose whether you are a student or a teacher or what role or capacity you play. Make sure you go ahead and choose student, okay? From there, you want to click on presentations. We're going to look at two different types of presentation tools, one with voice and one where you can add voice. First, let's look at just the plain presentation tool. When you come into this part of the platform, you will see that there are multiple templates already made for you. You can choose any of these wonderful templates to create your presentation. If you click on the see all, you're able to see more types of presentations under that particular category. Okay, so when you're in here, you have free templates, and then you also have pro templates. We want to make sure that we are choosing the free ones. Okay, make sure it says free when you hover over it. So let's choose a template. Okay, let's go with this one. Trivia Night Holiday Edition. Once you choose a template, or you will notice that there are multiple options or things that you can do to customize this. You have the Elements tab, which has images and graphics and things that you can add to it. Let's add this little graphic here. And you'll see how it just deposited itself on our template. So if you decide, oh no, I don't really like that template there, simply click the trash can and it goes away. Okay, so let's look at some more. You can upload photos. You can see here I have a lot of them because I've created a number of canvas. You can upload videos to your presentation. You can upload them from various sites. You can also drag and drop them. You can upload some audio, maybe some that you've created yourself or some you've downloaded from somewhere else. Again, you can drag and drop it into the template. Okay. You can also record yourself. So this is where this one comes in. Make sure you choose allow. Canva wants to use your microphone and your camera. You have to allow it in order for that to take place. Once you click allow, then the camera option will pop up and you'll see here I am while I was creating this presentation or this tutorial for you all. You can go back and exit the studio to return to your to your template. All right, so now let's look. We have photos. Again, you can drag and drop. There are multiple kinds. Then you also have text. Now within the text, there are a lot of cool, funky ones that you can choose from. Or you can simply choose one of the basics and decide to edit that. So let's go with one of the basics. And I'm just going to show you some of the things that you can do with the text once you've chosen it. One of the things that you can do is that you can change your font. You can go in and choose a totally different font if you're unhappy with that one. You can increase the size of it. You can also change the color if you didn't really like the color. So those are multiple things that you can do with your text. And if you decide, I don't like that at all, once again, simply click the trash can and it goes away. Okay, now let's look at the different color palettes. There are loads of color palettes that you can use to change your presentation. So you see, once I click there, it changed to a different color palette. If I decide I didn't like that, I could click another one. And here it is. We have a totally different color palette. And you can always click undo to take you back to the original one. there are multiple options for changing and making your template yours. You can also add a Bitmoji if you would like. And then you can also add some photos from your Google Drive to make your presentations the way you want it. So now that we've looked at that one, let's take a look at the talking presentation. Now, again, the talking presentation, like the other one, there are free as well as pros. Let's take a look at this one, and then let's take a look at what makes these two different. The main thing that makes these two presentations two different is here. It says present and record. So you'll present and record from the main page as opposed to going to the other one. Again, it shows you the camera, and you can see me, again, creating this presentation, right? So you'll hit start recording, and it'll record for you. So now let's go back, and then we'll go back to the main page where we're able to see that there are other options for being able to create presentations in Canva. So feel free to play around with it and use some of these options.